You are what you eat, and in today's world of processed, artificial, chemical-laden foods, the saying has never been more true. The food we put in our bodies doesn't just affect our waistlines and hormones, it also impacts our brains. What you eat plays a massive role in brain function, memory, focus, and even long-term cognitive health. Unfortunately, many common foods in the modern diet can actually hinder your brain development, contribute to disease, and accelerate brain aging. Today, I'm breaking down 10 foods that are harming your brain, foods you'll want to avoid if you care about your mental sharpness and overall well-being. First up, artificial food colorings. They may make your food look more appealing, but research has shown that they can increase hyperactivity, impair your memory, and even promote neuroinflammation. A 2022 review found a direct link between synthetic food dyes and behavioral impacts on children. And adults aren't off the hook either. Certain dyes have been shown to cause neurobehavioral impairment. Next up, we all know this one's bad, sugary drinks. You've probably heard that sugar is bad for your body, but did you know that it is one of the worst things for your brain? Excess sugar consumption has been linked to cognitive decline, increased risk of dementia, and even structural damage to your brain. So we have number 3 coming up, white flour products. Refined white flour found in bread, pastries, and pasta is another silent brain killer. It's stripped of nutrients and causes blood sugar spikes, leading to mood imbalances and memory issues. Next on the list, you probably already know this one, alcohol, especially in excess. It disrupts your brain communication, damages your neurons, and even shrinks brain tissue. Fast food isn't just bad for your heart, it's bad for your brain too. High in trans fats, refined carbs, and artificial additives, it's been linked to cognitive decline and increased risk of Alzheimer's. Do you see a pattern here? Foods that are bad for your body are bad for your brain. Next up, breakfast cereal. Most breakfast cereals are loaded with sugar, refined flour, artificial ingredients, synthetic vitamins and minerals. These cause blood sugar crashes, leading to brain fog and poor cognitive performance. Instant noodles. Can you say ramen? Instant noodles are packed with preservatives like MSG and high amounts of sodium that contribute to metabolic disorders, which negatively impact your brain function. We have artificial sweeteners. A lot of these are obvious, but I think we need to be reminded. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame may seem like a healthy alternative to sugar, but studies suggest they cause headaches, anxiety, and even impair brain function. Margarine, this is probably my least favorite on the list. Margarine and hydrogenated oils, seed oils, contain trans fats, which have been linked to dementia, depression, and lower brain function. The big issue with these fats is they literally block glucose, which is your cell's primary fuel source, from entering the cell. So if you have an excess amount of polyunsaturated fatty acids, glucose can't get into the cells to be used, so it's in your blood, so insulin resistant, diabetes, etc. What about bottled dressings and marinades? These are filled with added sugars, artificial flavors, and unhealthy fats, which are all on the list and can negatively impact your brain health. But with all this negativity, we have some good news. You have the power to change what you eat and protect your body and your brain. By avoiding these foods or limiting them and focus on whole, nutrient-dense options, you can support cognitive function, memory, and long-term brain health. I know you probably know all of these 10 foods are bad for your body and your brain, but like I said, my clients always needed to be reminded, so I'm hoping that something stuck in your brain and you appreciate some of this info. So if you want more science-backed health tips and free resources, sign up for my free 24-hour metabolism reset that has been downloaded over 20,000 times, and of course, weekly content and videos. The link to do that is in the description. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you for the next one.